Good morning, everyone. I see my first, Greenland iceberg. The other ones are Canadian, and it is over there. Right there is a closer view of the iceberg. Now going right past our balcony. It's almost 8 o'clock. I've already had breakfast, and I'm going to work on my diamond part. Nothing really happens until 9:30, and we're not getting to Nuuk until 11 a.m. and so there's trivia at 9:30, but I'm going to wait and see if I go to that, just because if I can already see land, I'd like to stay here and watch us come into port. On the TV it looks like this is land, but when I go outside, oh yeah, it is land. Dad, come look, come look. It's just after 9 in the morning, and there is Greenland. So this is the Gangway and Nuuk. We need to walk on the left side because there's triangles. You trip over it. Reached the center of town. It was about a 25-minute walk. It was mainly all uphill. They do have shuttle buses from the port that will take you to the center of town where we are. Really good. But they are $20 per person. is a 13-year-old girl. Far back one is a dog sled from Upper Nuuk in the 1920s, and then the one in the middle is from the Gangway. The sled was used in the Danish Literary Exposition in 1902 to 1904, and then this one right here is a dog sled from East Greenland. This big long one was collected in 1930, and it's said to be used by the same family for 3 generations, and it's believed to have been built around 1900. The beach is right here, the church is right there, and that's where we're heading next. So it doesn't look like you can go in the church. There is a statue up there, but because it doesn't look like you can go in the church, we're not going to go. We're going to make our way back to the center of town, and there also is a coastal walk that you can do over that way, but we are not going to do it because we have seen the coast. So I'm sitting right outside the cultural building, and they have performances from time to time, but because today's Saturday, they don't have any, so we'll have to check the next time we're here. I believe this is Greenland's largest mall. So I'm at the mall, and I got a cinnamon bread pastry to try. This is Greenland's Parliament. The only thing left to do is the art museum. We're gonna pass on that for today and maybe come back and do it next time, but we're slowly gonna make our way back to the ship. If we see anything interesting, I'll be sure to show you. Jen, we're at the grocery store. Oh, these are the best things ever. Winners has these. How do you,
I don't know how to prepare. Here's pork belly.
Yeah, but I don't know how to prepare pork tongues. So we're back on board, and we saw this ship loading this morning, but now it's leaving.
Yeah.
And a whole bunch of little boats are coming and going. Sure is a busy place. Tonight I went for supper. Portion sizes were okay. Appetizer was a bit small. I just wasn't a fan of the food overall. Just wasn't my preference. And then we had Austin, had a performance tonight. I love her, just like you've seen in my previous videos. I had a really great conversation with her last night. I just saw her randomly on the ship, and I asked her if she was coming back for the next cruise, and she said no. And then tonight she said that she was leaving the ship in a couple days. But fabulous performance as before. And then I went to check out Beat the Clock game show. I didn't sign up, but it would be something I'd want to sign up for next cruise. I didn't stay the whole time. I just stayed till the beginning of the second round. And there's 8 rounds. I'm just really tired, so I want to head off to bed. And I will see you tomorrow in Paamiut.